In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to join Amazon affiliate program, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to GrowBetter, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I want you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video, that is when you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. As a content creator, you are not supposed to depend on only Facebook revenue or YouTube revenue, right? There are other many ways to make money with your traffic, right? Such as affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and many more. So my aim in this channel is to teach you guys how to make money with social media. So from now, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually make money with Facebook aside from their revenue, and also how you're going to be making money with TikTok, YouTube, and other social media platforms with your traffic. All right, but firstly, I want us to start with affiliate marketing, and that's the reason why I'm making this video, to teach you guys firstly how to join Amazon affiliate program. Right, so I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'm going to be sharing step by step on how to create this account. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I will be glad to respond to your comment, because your like and comment will make this video to go viral and also help other people to watch and learn from it as well. So see you guys on the other side of the screen.
So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen, right? So we'll be joining Amazon affiliate program, right? And I'm going to be showing you guys straight away in this screen how to create this account right from scratch. So I'm going to be opening my browser. So here is my browser. All you need to do is to come and search for this Amazon Associate Program, right? So what you're going to be clicking is this particular second link, understand? So all you need to do is to tap on it. So once you tap on it, right, then it will bring you to this screen where they say Amazon Associate, Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program, right? Welcome to one of the largest affiliate marketing program in the world. The Amazon Associate Program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic. Right. So basically, why I'm creating this is that after making this video, I want to teach you guys how to actually make money with your Facebook using this Amazon affiliate marketing program. Understand? But this particular video is just to show you guys how to create it. Understand? So you guys are going to be creating this account with me right away. Okay. So what you need to do right here is to come down right here where they said recommend products in commission. Then you see sign up right here. We don't need to click on sign up, right? So once you click on sign up, you see right here is for you to sign in. Basically, we don't have an account. So what we need to do is to come right down here and click on create Amazon account. Understand? So we now right here, you just need to put your name, your email, your password, then re-enter your password, right? So I'm going to be putting my own, right? Right here, I've inserted all my details. So what I need to do is to just click on this create Amazon account, and you can see my account has been created, right? So what they need to do right now is that they sent me a code to my mail, which is the mail I entered. They said verify email address, so I need to go to my email, right, to go and verify my address. So here is the email, and you can see this thing is coming from Amazon. So I just need to select this code. So here is the code, then come and paste it right inside here. So I've pasted it, and they are creating my account, right? So as you can see, the next thing you need to do is to select the payee name. Understand? So I'm just gonna be entering my payee name. Understand? Then my address, I'm gonna be entering my address as well. So this address, one address, two address, three, if you like, you can put all of them, but I think I have only one address. Understand? So city, you enter your city as well, and the state, province, or region, right? So right here, I can't actually see my state right here because the country right here is a United States. So I'm gonna be changing this country to my own country so that it will bring out my details, my state and all those stuff. So I'm gonna be changing it to Nigeria. So if you're in any African country, you just need to look for your own country, then insert it. So I'll be looking for Nigeria right here. So here's Nigeria. So I'll just need to select my country code, which is +234, right? So I'll be looking for my country code right here. So here's my country code. Then I need to come back again to this state, then put my state, right? Uh, so I've started my state. Then I need to go and get this zip code right here. So you just need to go to Google if you don't know your zip code to search for your zip code, right? So here is my zip code. All I need to do is just to copy it, then come back right here and paste it right here. So here is your where you insert your phone number. So you don't need to put in your phone number right here. So all you need to do is to click on next, right? And here the first information is filled. So the next thing you need to do is to enter your website, this thing, a link. So basically, if you are if you have a Facebook account that you have audience in, just put the account that you have enough audience in it, because they are going to be reviewing your account to know if you are capable to join this program. Then you just need to copy your Facebook link and paste here, and if you're a YouTuber, you can just put your YouTube link here. Or if you have a website that has traffic, put your website right here. So I'm going to be using my YouTube, right? I'm going to be putting my YouTube link because I think I have more audience right here on YouTube. So I'm going to be copying my YouTube link and paste right here. So once you insert this thing, right, you just need to click on add and it will enter this place, right? Then click on next, right? What they ask is, are any of the traffic source listed above direct primary at children under 13, So, okay, this is basically not for children. So what you need to click is no. Then, so guys, the next thing you need to do is right here, they said, what's your preferred associate store ID, right? You need to put a username that you need, right? So I'll just put Maximilian, so I'll put Maximilian, and here they'll say, tell us about the content you create, right? So the kind of content I create is a social media marketing. So I'll just put social media marketing right here. Mm, so right here they say, which of this following best describe your content, right? So uh, they have blog content on niche website, search, comparison, shopping engine, coupon, or their website. So my own is a content, right? So I'm going to be selecting content. So when creating yours, you just need to know what you need to select. So right here they said, how did you hear about us, right? So you can select anything right here. So here I'll put word of mouth, right? So then you just need to come and this thing, enter this capture right here. So I think the capture is 2C4 7PX, right? So you now need to agree to the terms and condition. If you don't agree to this, there is no need because they won't allow you. So then click on finish, right? So I think we failed the capture, right? So they brought another one. So let me put it again. B B D D P Y N, right? So let's go again. Okay, right here you can see they said, congrats, Ezema Maximilian Tochku. Thank you for applying to the Amazon.com associate program. Your unique associate ID is Maximilian 20, right? You may occasionally need to provide associate ID to verify your account with us. Your application will be reviewed shortly after you have referred qualified sales for Amazon, right? In the meantime, you have been granted full access to the association trial 24 hours a day, right? If your affiliate link have not referred quality sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. Don't get left out of the conversation. Follow Associate on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. We share tips, tutorial, and trending promotions to help you succeed in the program. As a reminder, you must temporarily disclose your relationship with us to customers when using Amazon Link. For more information about how to do that, see the Help Center right here. You can just click on this Help Center, then you go and see them, right? So right here they said enter your payment task information, right? So this one you can actually do it later, but if you want to do it immediately, you can do it, right? So but right now we have created Amazon account, right? So I'll just click on later, and later I'll just fill in my own information. So exactly this is how to create your account, guys. Okay, once you click on later, it will bring you to here, understand, where you can see everything, right? So for now, you can start promoting their program and start making money and making commissions, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you fill in your task information. Right here, they say don't let delays stop you from getting paid, right? So you just need to make sure that you submit your task information. So I'm gonna be doing mine later because my task information and everything is not here with me. So once I get them, I'll do it. And basically, I might also make a video on how to fill it up. All right. So see you guys on the other side of the screen.
You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I urge you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we share amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching from beginning to here. I really appreciate you. See you guys in my next video.